HART has grown out of another company called Harvard Apparatus, taking technology that they had introduced and applying it in a different way and using electrospinning in order to take advantage of bioreactors.
Our bioreactors were specifically designed for the regeneration of organs,
regrowing cells into a scaffold.
So while the company's current focus is on the trachea, bronchus, and esophagus, we still continue to support research scientists by manufacturing and selling a range of research bioreactors in sort of different sizes and different shapes. So while we're a research company, we still are a sort of fully operating business at the same time.
My job day to day is work with everybody. If a little problem comes up, I've got to be there to respond to it. We're on a critical time frame. It's a startup company. They cannot afford to lose an hour or a day.
Infor and Sightline were selected because it was a tool that we thought we could confidently implement on a timeline.
Copley walked us through how to use the interfaces and everything. We were able to come up with the initial data and everything in less than a month.
We didn't want something that needed to be customized, but was highly customizable.
We had the advantage of having not a huge amount of data, so that was helpful to us on our end.
I would say we sort of overbought with Sightline for right now. It has far more capability than what we need today, but we wanted to get it in and up and running. So when we hit that sort of tipping point where the company grows dramatically after FDA approval of any one of our products, it would be something that was in place in the right size, more for that company than the company that we are today.
Make sure you get a product that the user can actually use today and a product that will serve them in the future as they expand. And that's what Infor is doing for us. The support that we've had via Copley, via Infor, has been perfect.
Both through the phone and through web interaction have been excellent.
They've always been right there. They've had solutions that we can use.
Infor was right there with us throughout that whole process, and I came away from it very satisfied and pleased with it.
Quanterix is a unique company. Its platform is in the ultra-sensitivity protein detection platform.
To detect proteins that other technologies can't. So it's the opportunity to manage people's health as opposed to managing a particular disease state.
There's been a significant amount of research to perfect single molecule array technology, and we went commercial in 2013, and we are now in 7 different countries with global reach.
What's most exciting is the opportunity to improve human health. We are mainly supporting the life science research market. We're enabling that research to help develop ways to make more sensitive protein measurements, as well as discovering new molecules that have not yet been identified.
You know, we obviously believe we have a very disruptive, transformational technology, and we're going to continue to grow geographically. Anyone doing biomarker discovery will be using our tools and our products globally.
Quanterix started the process for selecting an ERP system in the early part of 2013.
We did an analysis based on our needs as a company within the 5-year period, as well as the capabilities of the different platforms we were looking at.
It was a good opportunity for us to identify what our real needs were for an ERP solution. And Infor ultimately was the solution that provided us with both the best capabilities for an early stage company, as well as the growth capabilities for us to expand as the operations grow.
So the Infor Sightline tool is the product we use within Infor, and because of our size, we depend quite a bit on Copley Consulting to help us be successful using that platform.
Ultimately, the relationship that we have with Copley and Infor has worked very well for us. The best part about the opportunity we see is that the system can grow with us.
We felt as though Infor product really met our expectations, had the capabilities we were looking for within the platform, and we have a very lean architecture. We utilize a cloud-based model which allows us to be very effective and efficient in terms of our infrastructure.
So Sightline allowed us to start the operations with some real infrastructure in place. We recognize that we don't use a lot of the capabilities within Sightline today, but we understand that those capabilities are there, and that's really the next exciting step for us.
Next 5 years should be very interesting. The Infor platform will enable us to move into countries at a very rapid pace and be able to commercialize more broadly our platform over the next 5 years.